wrong with you? You're going to my bed. Shut the fuck up! Do you want me to fight normally? Do you? Why are you moving? You went downstairs and got the donut bags. Yes, I laid back down. And you were laying. You were standing up because Chelsea was saying, Brandon, don't slap my arm. Don't slap my fucking arm. You really want to go? Yeah. I'll kick your ass. I'm gonna slap you. You don't make it hard. Don't make it hard. I just slapped your arm. Yeah, I did. That's right, bitch. I am the ninja. You're the ninja. I'll show you. I hate you. I love you too. No. I said I hate you. No, you know what I think? I don't like love. It is love. Love, love, love. What about it? I love you. I don't love you. What the fuck is this? Over. No, over. No. You're gonna leave me for that hard? Yeah. Chelsea, I love you. What the shit is this? What the shit is this? I have been waiting for you. I have the fucking ninja star. You know what? You can take that ninja star and shove it up. I'll shove it up your asshole. Shove it up your asshole. And your asshole. Argue with me. Don't try to put it in. Argue with me. Damn. You really want to go? We can shut up. We can take it to the fucking streets. Stop. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, Kelsey, we're going to the streets. I'm gonna kick your ass. Yeah, I bet. I will kick your ass. You will like it. I will fucking like it. This way, Kelsey.
All right. She's angry.
Come on, Danielle. You know what? I'm so gonna kick your ass. Fucking street. Yeah, when you double play. Okay, come on. Come on. What the? This is me. Change it back. Proving it's yours. I don't like whistle. You freaking penis. There's a car. I help you run your bitch ass over. Well, I'll go on this side. I'll go on this side. You get it now. I'll bring it.
So you move out of the road anyway.
Stand up. It's going that way. Shut up. Wow. Don't go upside on me.
You got a little crack on your face.
You know what? That's right. You need to quit smoking that shit. No. I said stop. No. Yes. Don't make me shut.
Ew, there's a dead squirrel. There's a dead squirrel in the road.
Yes, walk away. I'm too mature for your childish game. Walk away. Suck my penis. Okay. Come on. Come on. I'm kidding. I was dead anyway. You have herpes. You have herpes. She did that, Kelsey. That was both of you. That was Kelsey. I went to see that. That's your voice. You are just a whore. You have herpes. You're a street whore. Don't make me dress like all these people. Stop it. Jump on it. Jump on it. No! You already did! I don't want to. You know what? No. You're a booty call. I don't want feelings for you. You're a booty call. No. No. That's a town bicycle. No. That's a rat. What the hell was that? The town bicycle. I said everybody gets
Jordan. Hey, Jordan, a car.
That's a car. You almost ran over that squirrel. He was already dead. I don't care. He's dead. I don't care. What's that? Go this. That's quit. No, because it is nasty. And it has AIDS just like the monkey you fucked. You got AIDS from a monkey. You are the monkey. You're the one who had AIDS from the beginning. God,
you gave the monkey AIDS.
That was nasty and had AIDS. Okay. No, that was the monkey. You were that Kelsey. Monkey.
Whoa. Whoa.
Kelsey said, whoa.
I think I should stop this video now.
No. Jordan.
A car.
It's a car. Quit being such a pussy. Shut up. No, what? Shut up. Build that video. shit!
It's a car.
You know
hey, look,
what?
another car.
Shut up, kid! Yeah, we need to put the document on hold because I need to light my cigarette. That's right, because you, sir, Kelsey, hold my shit. Hold my shit. What the shit is this? What the shit is this? Yo, try it.
It's a car.
I'm supposed to kick your ass tonight. I'm gonna take that fake jack-o'-lantern. Come on. Shove it up your asshole. Come on. Right here. And now, come on, right here. Right there.